It's time for the next scene. Here we will animate our Shelby already. And now first I will click on it. We will click Ctrl and C to copy content drawer, and we'll go to the next level. Where is our road? Okay, so I will come here at the end of our level. So for example, here, I think it's fine. Somewhere here at the end. Okay, now let's add a camera recreate. So here, cinematic and camera recreate. I will place it here in the middle and I will rotate it to minus 180 degrees. Now, what I'm going to do, maybe I will make it, no, I won't make it bigger. I will take this point and I will extend it. I won't make another point because it's straight ahead and we don't need to make another point. So it's going straight. This will be enough for our scene. In every scene, we will make another recreate inside. So for this one, this will be enough. Okay, now let's click Ctrl V and to add our Shelby. So it will be in the position from where we copied from the previous level. And I have to bring it here at the beginning of the recreate. Here, for example. But the Shelby, it's too small. We have to scale it a bit to 1.50, 60 or something like that. It will be perfect. You have to be a little bit bigger than these assets here to look realistic. And now I'm going to rotate it here to be straight. And now it's inside the ground, I think. Yes, it is. Now I will bring it up a bit to snap it to the ground. Okay, I think it's perfect. Let's switch to path tracing. And I will see, okay, it's not perfect. Okay, I'm moving it. Now it's strictly to the ground. Okay, now I'm bringing it back to lid. And here, what I have to do now, first I will see, is it in the center? Okay, it is. And now I will take the Shelby and we will make it a parent object of the recreate. So I will go up, somewhere here have to be our recreate, and we'll place it inside. Okay, perfect. Now the recreate have to click walk orientation to rail because of the turns, but we don't have any turns here, so it doesn't make any sense. Okay, I will extend it a bit more here. Okay, that's good. And now it's time to make our sequencer. So click this button here at level sequence. This time we won't duplicate it. Sequencer, and I will just click on it and to change the name to 05. And we'll start from totally new sequencer. Okay, now let's find our Shelby. It's here. I will take it inside and we'll place it. Okay, our Shelby, it's inside the sequencer. What we have to do now, we have to click here the plus icon to click control rig. Here asset based control rig, and this is the rig which we already did with you in the previous lectures for the wheels, for the steering, and for the body. So I will click on it, and now we can see all of our tools which we can move and to simulate the movement of our car. So I will open this, and here we'll see body, wheel rotation, and steering. The same names which we placed to our rig before. So here, let's open the body. Let's see. So by moving the X direction, we're moving car like that, which is helpful. We have up and down. This is useful with the acceleration of the car. And we have Z. Okay, perfect. Let's check the wheel rotation. So by X, we have moving left and moving right. Perfect. Back to default. Here the steering have to be onto the Y direction. You can check it here on the left downside. Okay, here, and rotating our front wheels only. Okay, perfect. And now we have to add the keyframes only to this wheel rotation. So I will add a keyframe here to the X, and here, for example, to the 90 frame, I will add a keyframe like that. Okay, perfect. And now we have this. So our tire is rotating perfect. Okay, now it's time to move the whole car. So first let's click here to the okay, first it's time to add the Recreo inside, and here plus attach and to camera Recreo. Perfect. Now it's attached to the Recreo. Now let's click here the plus icon on the Recreo and to click current position on Reo. So we will animate it from here. Okay, we'll click this plus icon to add a keyframe to the 0 frame here, and we'll end here to the 90. For example, will be 1, which is the maximum. And now we have this. Okay, that's good, but our tire is slow. So here I will take this keyframe and will place it here to accelerate faster like that. And when I started, it looks much realistic. Okay, now what we have to do, let's check our car how it looks when it zoom out. Okay, perfect. Our car are rotating, our wheels are rotating, sorry, and our car is moving. So what we can do here, in the beginning we have to simulate the starting acceleration of the car like it's in the real life. So we will come here to the 0 frame, we'll open the body, so it's Y direction, and here 0, and the first start our car have to go like that, and after that to bring it back to 0. You can see it's like in the real life. So if you don't know how it looks like exactly, you can check in some videos in YouTube to see how the cars are acting when they're starting to accelerate from the start to make it accurate. Okay, and now I'm going to add a camera. So again, cinematic, here, Cine Camera Actor, to be here. Okay, details, I will make it, here I will make it DSLR camera, and it's time to add it in our sequencer. Okay, our camera is here, perfect. I will move it up to be on the beginning, and okay, let's see from where we will add our camera. Okay, let's see, maybe to be from here. Okay, and now it's time to add a transform here, and our car will come here. So here our camera have to move. Oops, this was too much. Okay, something like that. Perfect. Here, let's see. Okay, our car is coming from here, so it will continue to move until the car is crossing the camera here, to crossing through the camera. Okay, something like that. Okay, now it's on the ground, so our rotation will keep it, will place the same keyframes here, and here we'll do like that, and we'll add a rotation keyframes, something like that. Okay, let's start now. Okay, here the problem is that the car is slow, and also the camera is slow. We have to make it everything faster. So let's do it. First I will stretch them a bit. Okay, our car will be, okay, this will be here. The Recreo will be, okay, this is perfect, I think. and this is too high, so I will move it to the ground here, like that. And here we have this. Okay, let's see now how it looks from the beginning. Okay, we have to bring our camera a little bit backward here, for example. Okay, here, like that. And this will be here, for example. And now we have a better view of our car. That's good. And I will extend this rotation to here. No, it's too far away. Again, it's far away. This is too early. Okay, here it's fine, but our camera have to continue moving. So here is the location. Camera have to move all the time. So we have to come here, for example. And now let's see how it looks. That's good. And now it's time to add a camera shake, because without the camera shake, everything looks bad. So let's open the content drawer now. Let's move back to here, the sequencer. It's our shake camera. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to duplicate this one. Here I will name it shake 01, for example. And here I made a lot of cameras for you. So I will copy the values from this one. So everywhere it's 1 here, 1 here. Okay, here it's 2, which is okay. And let's make it together now into this camera shake. Okay, so 1 here, 1 here, 1, 1, 2.3, and here we have to be minus something. Okay, let's click compile now, and it's time to add a camera shake. So it will start from here, plus icon here, camera shake 01. Is it our camera shake 01? Yes, it is. So I will add it one more time here, and let's see. Okay, we have small shake, which is okay. And let's see now. Okay, it looks good. Now let's see how our car looks in the path tracer. That's good. Let's start it. Okay, maybe our camera have to be closer to the car. Let's see. Okay, I will move it here, like that. Yep, closer is better. To be just next to the car. And here we have to add another shake, which is stronger. Like it's making attraction of our camera. So what I'm going to do, I will open this, I will decrease the duration to here, click compile, and from here we'll add another camera shake. So let's see here, camera shake. I will use this one directly, but you will see the numbers of the values here, and you will make it by yourself by duplicating it. Okay, the name is Shake 2. Okay, it's Shake 2, but I will rename it to Shake 202, for example, because we already have another Shake 2. And now I will add it here. Okay, and you can see here it's much faster with more interaction. Okay, that's good. And here our camera have to continue going straight, for example, but not with another keyframe. We'll just extend this one here. And the rotation will be closer here, for example, or even here. That's good. Now let's check. It's much better. Let's try to place here will be 22 for full focus, and here the focal length. Let's add some focal length maybe for better details. Okay, now it's time to start. Perfect. And I think our first scene, it's ready, guys. Of course, it's totally up to you. If you want to make another camera animation, you're free to do it. You already know how to work with these keyframes here and to do whatever you want. Here I'm showing you the basic stuff. So I hope you understand me perfectly and you'll do it easy with a lot of practicing. Okay, let's try here. No, the previous was better. Okay, I'll do something like that. And let's see. That's good. But here, let's try to make it even faster. And to rotate it faster. Let's see now. Okay, this is too fast this time. Here. And here. Let's check. Perfect. Now I think it's smooth and accurate. Perfect. And now let's check here in the path tracer. Perfect. And one more thing, at the end we have to add the blur, the manual focus distance. So let's make it. Okay, so the focus will start from here. And here have to be fully focused on the car. Okay, here we have to still have focus here. So you also can copy keyframes and to place them again with Ctrl+C by selecting them and Ctrl+V to pause them. And here focus now. styling. Okay, let's see how it looks. Perfect. Okay, we are finally ready with this thing, guys.